Okay, so number one, when you start, number one, make sure this back foot is turned out, not turned in. Number two, create a little bit more tension in your fingers, like this. Thumbs together, middle fingers together, stretch them, have a tension. So when you start walking, you would have that tension and beautiful fingers and arm shapes as you walk. So there's 2 points, foot turn out and fingers. Let's go, let's try. And go 2 and 30, 4, 1, go 2 and 30, 4, 1. Excellent. Let's go to the next part. From here, once we get here, step this leg forward. Yes, step this forward. Yeah, forward. Very good. Put your weight on it. Okay, so have a little bit stronger frame here. Squeeze me in. Yeah, push away from this arm. And 2, 30, and 4, 1, and. Now from here, remember to have a beautiful triangle between your feet, shoulder connect to hip. Run, run, run into shadow fan. Here is very important, tummy in, chest high, and we're gonna have a matching arms. You see, matching, same time, and 2. Now remember to melt, and before you go, have an and, breathing and 30, and 4, 1. Now use this arm up, stretch all the way to the sky, and release your shoulder to hip. And here, go hip twist. Run, run back. And from here, we have a very like romantic, stretchy moment. A lot of feeling. Okay, spiral walk. Now, when you do this spiral, you want to get your foot on the highest tippy toes, almost on nails. Walk back, tippy toes. Walk. Next one, exit. Now, when you exit, there is a 2 ways to exit. You can have a run day or you have together. So if you do run day, it has to stay on the floor. If you do together, it has to really, really touch here and then go back. I recommend you doing together. It's better. Together, very good. Back and front. Yes, now finish this leg. Have a beautiful finished free leg. Spin, 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 spin into fan position. Yes, this way. In the fan position, hips closed, arms stretched away, heel and toe on the same line, ideally. Heel and toe on the same line. And quick and slow, finishing back leg. So this leg is very beautiful, should be. And go walk, walk. This was a hikey stick. Let's move it a little bit for the camera here. Yeah, stay always connected. Always give your connection towards the partner. Go quick, slow, and quick. Over turn 3 and forward. Walk, walk, figure 8. So here, first of all, how to do figure 8. So first of all, turn out your feet and now direct your hip to me, side and back. Yeah, without changing the feet position. And then from here, go and hip twist, triangle between your legs. One more hip twist. Now here, step side, collect your feet together, Very good. And now in this position, go back. Very good. So here. Now, when you get here, this leg up, yeah, don't get it fast up. It has to be really, yeah, open your legs. I'll show you. You have to like really slide on my leg and then slide down. So it's not through the air. Always have connection, your leg to my leg. That'll be recommended. Yeah, your leg to my, and then you can go down, turn out this foot. Very good. Here, spin, 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 spin. Now from here, from this stretch away, you do very good, but do it a little bit longer and sense me. Feel how long I want you to go, how deep I want you to go, and then when I get you out. Yeah. So you have to send it. Yeah. You do it very good, but to me, a little bit too short. So I want it a little bit longer. So let's just work as a team. Send, deeper, boom, and then get out. Walk, walk, spiral, make your foot on tippy toe in the spiral, this foot. Yeah, so when you get in the spiral, yeah, this foot should get on tippy toe, never here, this way, right. Chest up, so then we go spin, 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 side, and then here, yeah, so when you do here, it's like with your chest, you reach, and reach, Right. With a lot of expression. Walk, then arm here, then wait for me. I spin, spin, spin to you. Turn, 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 turn. Stretch up. Let's go a little bit closer to the camera so they can see it. Yeah, so here, have your feet this way. Right. Stretch up. I go under you. Stay high, stay high. No, no, no. And then from here, this leg. Yes. So how to get? No, no, no. So from here, you want to have your leg straight. Just lift it up. Don't do anything else. I'll do the rest for you. That's how to do this trick. Proper. No, no, stay straight. Have two legs straight. Have this leg straight too. Just lift it side. Yes, and then arms over my head. Yeah, very good. Stretch. Always remember about the posture. Warm, go down, sit. Yeah, stay high. Cheek, cheek. Excellent. Walk. Cross, stay high, high chest. Very good. Now here, when you do this leg, make sure you turn out your inner thigh and showing your heel. And showing your heel. Then step forward, finish. Then you have a forward walk. Finish your back foot. Turn, 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 turn. Down. Now from here, make your hands strong and straight. Now, and pivot your feet as much as you can. More, more, more. Pivot your feet more. Yeah, let your heels draw almost like they're drawing a circle. Now, when I turn you, stay down, okay? Don't stand up. Stay down, down, down. And from here, boom. Yes. So when I turn you, you stay down. And then from here, you go wah as you stay low. Again. Chick. Stay low. And now go. Pew. Stand up gradual. Tummy in. Expressive arm.